Harley-Davidson Bratislava Sportster XL 883N9 rebuilt in Harley-Davidson Bratislava is a classic cafe racer with emphasis on its maneuverability and short-distance relocation speed, rather than comfort. It's just the perfect companion for city traffic. Just like any other classic cafe racer inspired by racing motorcycles from the 50 feet, Orion holds the same components minimalist solution leading to weight reduction. Classic clip-on handlebar, side knee grips indented into fuel tank. It also comes with a round mudguard connected to a single seat and a number at the back part of the motorcycle. In our efforts to increase the value of the motorcycle with minimal investment, we used original accessories of Harley-Davidson as well as the reputable Roland Sands design brand to construct the cafe racer made by Harley-Davidson Bratislava. We created a beautiful piece for a very reasonable price that is easy to build from pretty much any Sportster model. All there's left to do is to kick on your 45-degree V-twin and head out for a coffee break. Battle of the Kings, the Custom King name of the dealership. Harley-Davidson Bratislava location. Bratislava. Slovensko customization expert. HD Bratislava team Brano. Igor. Peter. Peter favorite bike. Panhead. Shovelhead. Buell professional motto. To fulfill dreams. Where did you get the inspiration? Odkud Stellarpoli inspiracy? Brainstorming. What do you hope to achieve in this contest? Victory.